Physics Practical Paper 2023 Group 11. Section No. 1. Question number 1. Determine the area of cross-section of a wire and volume of a small sphere using a micrometer screw gauge. Question number 2. Find the speed of sound using 2 resonance position. Question number 3. Calculate the refractive index of material of prism by spectrometer or laser. Section 2. Question number 4. Estimate the resistance of galvanometer by half deflection method and calculate current for full scale. Question number 5. Verify truth tables of basic logic gates. Question number 6. Show the charging and discharging of a capacitor by plotting growth and decay current. Question number 7. Draw a graph from the data provided below. Take T along x-axis. Find the gradient of the graph. Question number 8. Plot a graph of the following recorded data between L and V taking L along x-axis. What do you conclude from the graph?